Hey boat lovers, did you know that vintage wooden boats need special insurance that's as unique as they are? At Marine Surety, we understand these beautiful vessels require coverage that goes way beyond standard boat policies. From proper valuation and specialized maintenance to protecting original components and historical value, your vintage wooden boat deserves insurance that truly gets it. We're experts in assessing everything from restoration quality to period-correct materials. Don't trust your maritime treasure to just any insurer. Visit marinesurety.com to learn how we can create custom coverage that preserves and protects your classic wooden vessel's legacy. Remember, your vintage boat isn't just any boat, so don't settle for just any insurance. Marine Surety, specialized protection for specialized vessels.